Hi, this is a product review for the Whoosh Screen Cleaner. See that there? That's a nice little, I like that little kind of logo. It's really good. Really solid piece of kit. I've had this for over 18 months now. It's got this cool little sprayer here. It's like the sort of standard design, but it's really solid. And you know, this is definitely not going to break anytime soon. You've got the little twisty bit there. It says off, spray, stream. I mainly just use it on the spray setting, and I'll quickly show you now how good this is. Just here's my Mac, and you give it a little spray. Now the towel, which I should have got ready really, but it's right here, is this is a microfiber towel that's actually really good quality. You can see that there. And this is the same towel, by the way. I've not replaced it. Same one that comes with it. So it's been with me for well over a year. Kind of probably between 18 months to 2 years now. And yeah, it cleans it every time, nice and shiny. And it's actually the best screen cleaner I've ever used. I've used others before, but I won't dive into that. Yeah, I really recommend it. Whoosh Screen Cleaner. There's not much more I can say about it. It's 500 mils. There's plenty left. Look, plenty left. And I've used this on my laptop, my girlfriend's laptop, TVs, touchscreen. It works on like your tablets and even my car screen. So highly recommend it. Bit of Whoosh.